Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a quick removal video. I'm not gonna take the contacts out, but I will remove this, and this is simple. This was a very easy little scar that was toilet paper, a little bit of black eyeliner, and then some blood over it with some pink around the outside. So there's that one. And here comes this one, good old scrape. People always ask if it hurts. It never hurts. It feels like I'm scraping it off of my finger. You know what I mean? Trying to save my makeup a little bit. Didn't know if I'm gonna rock it or not, you know. So simple face wipe. Boom! Simple. Wicked easy. Sometimes the blood will stain my skin like a smidge. Sometimes it'll stain like a little bit, like this is still a little pink, but nothing crazy, you know what I mean? So, I thought you guys might think that was a little cool. But yeah, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. Bye!